7.
It is easy to cook a steak meal. Buy a marbleized cut of beef. The more marbleization or distributed fat in a meat, the more moisture it will retain when cooked. Keeping the meat moist will yield a more tender steak. As the fat melts and pools on the side of the pan, use a spoon to scoop the oil and meat juice mixture back on top of the meat. This type of basting technique also helps to keep your meat moist. When the bottom half's fat has mostly melted out, flip it over and season it again. When more juices come out, baste it again. If you have a larger cut of meat, you may need to bake it to your desired wellness. The USDA recommends an internal steak temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and a 3-minute rest to kill off possible unwanted microbes. Today, we are going to make a red wine reduction steak sauce. Reduce the wine by boiling off some of the water and alcohol, making it thicker, like a sauce, and sweeter, depending on the brand you use. You can try a variety of ingredients to flavor the sauce. First, we used milk followed by a water and flour mixture. Some people like to use the juices from the seared meat. However, we made a contrast from the juice by using butter for a clean, smooth sauce.